Kat kum nagi kubor balayo lum menta kasngi lai thu bau en Biren sing ularai ban Hiar Shuki no haden babun kinong ilam jong ki parti paper kila dawa yu bo Hiar Shuki no nagada bo sham lala mate la kam la ne wanra ka Jingsuk hapo ka jila Manipur haden ba ka jinga Hiar thma ka jiga snam kabla ne menta la kumba ar banai ye henry ke ka bala jiapat lai I bau ne menteri tang haki khandet kanta ka sithi resign ulakla jingmut no manom yino ya kane ka kam bau bat kum menteri rang ba ka jila Manipur haden bau yo I ba da ki spangut ki pai ba kanthop da ki spangut ki kentai badang kershan yu kilawan song kelai mongor bat kila ong ba kim Kwah dalile bau en Biren sing un Hiar Shuki no bat ya kate ka sithi resign jong u lapen I sing pai ba da arngut ki minister badang mi na ka jaga sa jong u bat latar lengkhot lengkai da kawai kalong kemi ka badai kanong kershan barat ba jong u Hagaju kopor no ilam barang ba Kongres Parti Rahul Gandhi ulawan sa Manipur banlik kendu hida lade ya kitu ki breu ba shamlanot hakate ke jingjia hakate ke jingwan Rahul ru ula kendu menta kasngi ya kinong ilam ka seng Kongres kinong ilam ka United Naga Council kato kane ki member jong ka Civil Society Organization ha Impal kumju Presiden ka Manipur Kongres haba ajing kren sikila thai khobor haden ba kato kane ki reporter kila kli Rahul Gandhi ba bali Prime Minister Narendra Modi usngap jarjar ya kate ke jingjia ha Manipur de Rahul long dan jibab halor kane ka benta namar ka jingwan jungu ha Manipur kam dei setia ka kam politik hende ka jingwan jungu hapo kane ka jila ka dei tang bania kren berbonra ka Jingsuk hapo kane ka jila Shushu Rahul long bakano upang kamen sim haden bauli kendo ya itu gibreu basakta hakte kathma layos ngau ya jingut jingam jongki donru ki bladu no igi bai bathon jongki perkumju ki jing kesem ki jing don jing em baro bar kapan pau sairu lingba ki dor khmat jongki to gibreu bagi don kam sisa kata ka jingrap bar ulaban biang baya menta ka don kam me khmat kadai benwanra ka Jingsuk hapo kane ka jela dang ha kini ki arsi bladap ki sipai India ki long bo jinge set ke bajur Kelajia biang ha Kangpokpi district Manipur ha ka balaingot ki belasya setiap kentup upulit konstabel ulenglam dingel lai turu balayo ban kurup khan yot ligi suloi khat arti ki tiar set kum ubakhor ki kuri bashpot ligi bom ha ki babun ki benta jong jila Manipur tang hapo arp sau kanta men ha ka simbalang bladap kata arp prasrek mentau banai layo kurup prat ligi suloi set art ligi kuli bar art ligi bom ha Kangching district da ka joint operation team
Honorable Governor Madam, I here submit my resignation as the Chief Minister of Manipur. I thank you for your cooperation and guidance during the past few months. With regards, yours sincerely, N. Biren Singh, Madam Governor.
I came here because I wanted to share the pain of the people of Manipur. It is a horrible tragedy that has taken place, very extremely sad and painful for all the people of Manipur and all the people of India as well. I went to the camps, met people from all communities. One of the things I would say to the government is that the basic amenities in the camps, they need to be improved. Food needs to be improved. Medicines need to be supplied. And I would appeal to everybody in Manipur that we need peace. Peace is the most important thing. My strong appeal to everybody. Violence will not get anything for anybody. Peace is the way forward, and everybody should now talk about peace and start moving towards peace. I'm here to help in any way I can to bring peace to the state. I love all the people of Manipur.